I have started the week here, and we can see how the price is jumping back up. The gold has risen in value, and it has returned and it has broken several of these resistance levels, and it has stopped right here. We can see something has happened on the market which has took the price higher on the price levels. I have shared my trading idea, and also you can see inside trading community I have entered in the previous week here, where this engulfing bullish candle has formed and the price has opened here the week, and it has closed the day on the my day right here. I have closed this trade with a profit, but you can see how the market looks. Now if you go to the weekly, you will see how this looks. The price has reached this. I have mentioned in the previous week analysis that I'm expecting the price will bounce from this great support, but I did not expect that the price will jump through the whole week like this, going above these two resistance levels. It's very important for the price because the price has gone outside of this downtrend channel, and it will be very important to see how the next week happens. After this breakout has happened, I need to see the breakout to be valid by returning the price back down around 190 price level and then continue back up. So if the next week closes above, this will be a great signal that the price will continue to move up. Very important level for the weekly time frame is this one, 1940. We will see much more clearly that on the daily, but let's see how this looks on the monthly time frame. Monthly, as it looks right now, you can see it when the price drops down, the price reverses back up strongly from this area. In the previous attempt, we can see it here. Now this has happened also, and we can see that the price has reached up this level. Very important levels for the monthly time frame, which we have 2 more weeks still until the month ends. We have still several levels that are very important for the monthly price level. The next one is this one here, 1936, but it is very close to the weekly 1940 I have just mentioned. So this is also the next one is this here, 1964. These are very critical levels on the monthly for the bulls, but below that, if the price goes below this one here and also below this one here, 1891, and also below 1918, it will be a very important to see how this month ends. But before that happens, we need to see weekly how it will end. Very important levels are this one here, 1940 I just mentioned, because it will go outside this very important level that has prevented the price from moving up in this time. So it will be also very important, and on the above it is 1960 on the weekly and also 1980 on the monthly. These are very critical levels. Below that, if the price goes below 1918, very important level, the next one is 1890. I have just mentioned also on the monthly time frame. So these are the levels, very critical, and we'll see how this week will end. How the next week will end, and for that we need to see much more clearly on the daily time frame how this looks. Now we can see that the price has made a breakout. Now we need to see the price return back down, but very important levels are this one, 1933 and also 1940. These are very important levels on the monthly, weekly and also daily time frame. If the price goes above this one, it will be a great breakout to the upside, and then the price will be inside indecision area where the price has stopped several weeks before. On the lower side, we need to see the price going below this demand zone to see the price continue to be back inside this downtrend channel. For the next week, I will also share my trading ideas, what is the entry, stop loss and take profits. So if you would like, check the trading community and get inside. Now let's see US30 how this has behaved. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.